Tour of the rooms, the balcony, it's a guest bathroom, shower, all stuff you need. Nice balcony. Views in Medellin are always immaculate, so it never hurts to get a balcony. Chairs outside. Rained last night because it rains every night here, so it's whatever. The views are fucking amazing. Samsung. This apartment just looks cool. Nice little living space. Great for partying, entertaining guests. Kitchen, not bad. Fridge is empty, so I'm not even gonna bother. This is where the magic happens, like they always say. No magic in this room, obviously, because the sheets are fucking folded up. And they have art of a New York City skyline, ironically, of all places. I'm from New York. What are the odds of that? Balcony extends to the bedroom, so that's cool. Little 50-inch TV, I guess. Not bad. Aircon, which I don't need because it's cold everywhere. First aid kit, nice. Iron. Not even the hotel had that one. And the master bath. Comes with everything. Even a handsome guy. Nah, I'm joking, doesn't come with a handsome guy. Rainfall shower. Which is pretty big, and you can even sit down inside of it. So that's cool. Little spot type thing. Alright, that's it. See you later.